Controlled receiving prevents damage and maintains traceability from the first touch point.
Clear segregation prevents non-conforming material from entering production. Kitting ensures the right materials arrive at each station on time. Proper stencil setup ensures consistent solder deposition.
Calibration prevents solder defects before placement.
Correct feeder loading prevents placement errors. The first article confirms the line is ready for mass production.
Formal approval authorizes the line to start full production. Consistency check. First article sign-off completes setup phase.
Consistent paste printing sets the foundation for assembly quality.
Automated optical inspection detects assembly defects early. Immediate segregation prevents defects from moving downstream.
Controlled depaneling avoids mechanical stress on the boards. ICT verifies electrical integrity of assembled circuits.
Released boards are cleared for final TV assembly.
Controlled handoff maintains traceability between process stages. Proper fixture and tool setup ensures repeatable assembly quality.
Early verification prevents downstream fit issues. Secure power supply mounting is critical for electrical safety.
Hoka yoke checks prevent missed or incorrect connections.
Precision inspection protects display performance from assembly errors.
Dimensional checks prevent panel stress and light leakage. Precise alignment ensures bezel symmetry and image accuracy.
Cleanliness checks protect display quality.
Early power-on checks detect connection issues before enclosure. Proper enclosure protects internal components and users.
Torque audits ensure mechanical reliability and safety.
Stable transfer protects the finished assembly before testing.
Standardized connections ensure repeatable functional testing.
Image tests verify panel performance and processing accuracy.
Audio checks confirm speaker integrity and tuning. Clear disposition separates conforming units from those needing attention.
Retesting confirms the effectiveness of the correction.
Electrical safety tests protect end users. System release authorizes the product for packaging. Complete accessory sets ensure a ready-to-use product.
Protective materials prevent damage during transport. Correct placement inside the carton stabilizes the product for shipping. Consistent sealing protects the product during logistics. Weight checks confirm complete contents without opening the box.
Accurate labels ensure correct routing and identification.
FIFO buffering balances flow between packing and palletizing. Proper orientation supports stable pallet loads. Automated palletizing ensures repeatable and safe stacking.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes loads during transport.
Racked storage protects products until shipment.
Accurate inventory data supports reliable order fulfillment. Controlled e-waste handling prevents environmental contamination.
Documented handoff ensures compliant recycling.
Staging by schedule minimizes loading errors. Controlled dock operations ensure safe and efficient loading. Planned loading protects products during transit.
Sealing preserves shipment integrity until delivery. Finished products leave the factory ready for distribution.
Data audits confirm process stability after release.
Controlled spare parts support after sales service.
Cleaning cycle complete and verified.
All parameters are within spec. Good to go.
An orderly line reflects controlled and repeatable manufacturing.
So the tonnage for Q3 looks correct here? Yeah.
Yes, matches the certificate total. Just need to log it.
Controlled storage prevents environmental and safety risks.
Here are the transfer documents, contractor copy.
Thanks. Let me just sign this. And here is your copy.
Thank you.
This spike in the defect rate correlates directly with the shift in the curing temperature.
But only on line 3. Check the incoming wafer quality for that batch.
A controlled shutdown marks the end of the production cycle.
Shift reviews transfer knowledge and maintain consistency.
Clear quality status prevents unauthorized production.
Random audits verify packaging and product condition.
Releasing audited goods maintains shipment integrity.
Maintaining FIFO order preserves delivery commitments.
Live tracking improves logistics coordination.
Visible certifications reinforce operational standards.
Clear zoning prevents cross-contamination and confusion.
The facility integrates production, quality, and logistics under one system. Secure data storage protects production history.
Updated instructions keep processes consistent across shifts. Organized packaging stock supports uninterrupted future runs.
A reset line ensures a clean start for the next build.